Hey guys, today I will explain to you how you can increase your maintenance discount on GoMining. So let's get right into it. If you don't already know what GoMining is, it's basically a company that allows you to do cloud mining of cryptocurrencies to earn crypto rewards. If you want a more in-depth explanation, I made a video about this, so I will link this video in the video description and also in the end screen. If you're not yet using GoMining and after watching this video you think, that might be something for me, I have a link to their website in the description. I also have a discount code of 5%, so you can use that discount code on your first purchase. You will receive a 5% discount and I will get a small kickback for your purchase. What does the maintenance discount actually do? Well, for that I will go to the rewards section and I will show you what the maintenance discount actually does. As you guys can see here, at the moment I have a maintenance discount of 10.4%. That basically means I have to pay less in electricity fees and less in service fees on the platform. So of course that is very nice. But you're probably now asking, how do I get these maintenance discounts? Well, there are multiple ways to get them and I will be explaining that in this video. Right here you can see a section called discounts. You want to press on the plus icon and then a pop-up shows up which tells you all about all the possible ways to get maintenance discounts on the GoMining platform. First, the biggest way to get maintenance discount, and this is actually how I got most of the maintenance discount, is by paying your service fees in GoMining and having a lot of GoMining on your account. Per 18 days of GoMining you have in your virtual wallet or you have locked, you get an extra 1% of service discount, and this can get stacked up all the way to 20%. So this is a very important way to get a lot of maintenance discount, but of course you will have to keep some GoMining tokens in your virtual wallet or keep them locked. For me to get the full 20% discount, I would need an additional 701.35 GoMining tokens, and that's a lot. I can show you I have 44 terahertz, so it's definitely a lot of GoMining tokens you need, but you get a very nice service discount. Actually, the easiest way to increase your service discount is by pressing the service button every 24 hours. If you do this 10 consecutive days, you can get a maintenance discount of up to 3%. So I would highly advise you to just check into the site or app, whatever you prefer, and press the service discount every 24 hours. Right now, I can press the button in 1 hour and 20 minutes. Then another way to increase your maintenance discount is by increasing your VIP level. I will quickly explain how you can do that. The maintenance discount you can get from your VIP level ranges from 0.3% to all the way up to 6%. So if you have a really high VIP level, you can definitely save on maintenance with that. The way to increase your VIP level is either by getting more terahertz or by locking more GoMining tokens. So what I would advise you is, if you're going for the 20% discount by having GoMining tokens in your virtual wallet or by locking them, I would highly advise you to lock them instead of just keeping them in your virtual wallet. As you can see, I also locked most of mine, because then it will not only count towards this 20% discount, but it will also help you increase your VIP discount. And in addition to that, you will be getting some rewards for having it locked, so you're just getting triple rewards for it. So I think that's really nice to have. And then the last way to get more maintenance discounts really is out of your control, or you have a very small impact on that. The impact you have on that yourself is really small. It's the mining mode discount. You might ask, well, how is that calculated and why do I have it? Well, if you have your GoMining tokens locked, you and other people who have their tokens locked can actually vote on where certain rewards will be distributed. And then, as I can show you here in the active voting, there are a lot of ways where these GoMining rewards can be distributed. They can go to the extra solo mining discount, which we had just seen. It can go to miner rewards, to the greedy machine upgrades, liquidity provider bonuses, and bounty cycle rewards. I actually voted for the solo mining discount, so if a lot of people vote on this extra solo mining discount, bigger that discount will be. So that was it all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you're interested in GoMining, I have a link in the comments and in the description. See ya later, alligator.